Here we go. As good as it can. It's as good as it's gonna get. All taped off. I cross my fingers. Wet sanded to 600. Got single stage white. I don't think I'll be clearing it at all. Now comes the part where we wash it down with isopropyl. Make sure that there is nothing else on the paint, and then we'll use a tack rag and go from there. Cross my fingers. After 2 coats, this is what it looks like. I think I need about another 2 coats, light coats, and that should do it, I hope. We'll see what the orange peel is like, but it's not that bad actually. It looks pretty close to factory. We'll see. Any runs? Yeah, one little run there. But that's okay. I think I should. There it is. There is the run. That's okay. Should be able to get that out. There. I'm gonna do the last one to get rid of what's in the Rattle can. And then once it dries, we'll have a look outside in the sun, in the daylight, to see how it actually turned out. This is my first time doing it, so we will see. Well, what do you know? Rattle can, 2K. Unbelievable. A few areas where overspray is, and that I'll have to address. Wet sand, but at least we have no more gray primer flaking. Oh man, this turned out better than I thought. Cool. Very cool.